So magkano nga ba yung potential income mo kapag nasa top leaderboards ka ni SealM on Cross? Hey guys, this is PM and today pag-uusapan natin yung Shields token value and at the same time, magkano nga ba yung potential income mo as a top player dito kay SealM on Cross. Anyway guys, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you would be updated if we upload new contents and guides about SealM on Cross. Let's go! So, welcome back mga tol. No? So today, pag-usapan natin ngayon kung magkano nga ba yung value ni Shields token, okay, yung pre-market value niya, and at the same time, magkano nga ba yung kikitain ng mga top players dito sa leaderboard ni SealM on Cross. So tara, simulan na natin. So first thing is pag-usapan natin yung pre-market value ni Shields token. Now, Shields token is already been listed sa Cross token or sa Game Cross ecosystem, okay? Okay, so basically, makakabili na kayo dito guys ng Shields, okay? Pero hindi pa kayo pwedeng magbenta. So kung mapapansin nyo dito, may mga naka-pre-market order na sa presyo na yan. Okay, so may mga naka-buy na dyan which is naka-ready na kapag na-release yung Shields tokens na available lang or makukuha lang sa game itself. Now, yung Shields token na yun, imimint pa yun ng mga top players and sila yung magsusupply dito sa market na to. So, yung pre-market value na nakikita natin dyan is just based on probably speculations. Hindi pa to yung actual na presyo, which means na hindi pa to yung price na talagang makikita natin once the Shields token has been minted. Okay, so kapag na-mint na yan, syempre, may mga tao na magbebenta ng mas mataas. Okay, depende pa rin yan sa market demand. But anyway, assuming na ang presyo niya is around 0.0668. Okay, kung ganyan ang presyo niya guys, nasa around 4 pesos yan to be exact here in Philippines. And dito guys, kung ganyan yung magiging value niya at kung mamaintain niya yan katulad ni Rohan to Global, of course, malaki-laki yan guys. Okay? Now, punta naman tayo sa example ng mga reward na pwedeng makuha ng mga top players dito kay SealM on Cross. Now, dito guys, kapag nag-top 1 kayo, ang makukuha nyo lang naman na Shields Crystal is around 1 million Shields Crystal. Now, napakalaking rewards nito guys, especially doon sa top 1. And by the way, ito kasing Shields ranking, hindi siya labanan lang ng server to server. Actually, labanan siya ng buong mundo. So, kasali dito yung American server, kasali dito yung Asia server. All of the servers na na-create or meron dito kay SealM on Cross, okay, lahat yan guys kasali sa Shields ranking. Now, kung medyo huli na yung release ng server nyo, of course, may advantage na yung mga naunang server dahil may mga points na silang na-accumulate during the day na hindi pa naka-up yung server na pinaglalaroan nyo. Okay? But then again, that's okay kasi ito namang Shields ranking, it's always reset after every season. So huwag kayong mag-alala guys na kung hindi kayo nakahabol this season, pwede naman kayong humabol next season. Okay? So ganun yung target natin. But anyway, looking at the top 1 to top 3, sobrang laki ng price pool allocation nila. Biro nyo guys, 1 million Shields Crystal sa top 1, sa rank 2 or top 2, 500,000 Shields Crystal. Imagine nyo na lang na kung ang ratio nito is 1:1, okay? Ang total na makukuha lang naman ng top 1 is almost 4 million pesos. Okay? So that's around, let's say, mga 35,000 USD. Try to imagine ganun kalaki yung potential reward na pwede mong kitain sa paglalaro ng games, no? Sabi kasi ng mga nanay natin, kaka-computer mo yan eh. Pero may mga taong kumikita ng ganyan sa mga ganitong klase ng games. So, nakaka-proud lang na merong mga games na nakakagawa ng ganito. Though, yung top 1 guys, gumastos din yan, of course. Pero try to imagine yung nagastos niya at makukuha niyang rewards. It's really well compensated. Okay? However, para maging top 1 ka kasi dito guys, hindi mo na kailangan matulog. Kumaga parang 24 hours ka dapat nila. So, talagang ginastos na niya yung character niya at deserve niya naman din yan. Okay? Maybe nag-hire pa siya ng pilot para hindi siya maunahan sa points. So, kung mapapansin niyo dito guys, napakalaki ng difference between the points from top 1 to top 10. Okay, nakikita niyo naman yan. Sobrang laki ng difference niyan. So basically, itong mga to, talagang batak na batak yan maglaro ng SealM. Okay? Kumbaga parang ginawa na nilang buhay yung SealM. And sino ba namang hindi gagawa niyan guys? Try to imagine, kung makuha mo yung top 1, talagang paldong-paldo ka. Diba? So yun yung isa sa mga perks ng pagiging nasa top dito sa SealM on Cross, especially sa Shields ranking. Okay? Now, from rank 2, makakuha ng 500k, rank 3, 200k, rank 4 to 10, tagwa 100k sila. Then, rank 11 to 20, 10k, then so on and so forth. So dito, fairly compensated naman up until top 100. Kahit nga up until top 300 or 500, well compensated pa rin yan. And may mga kilala tayo dito na free-to-play players na nasa rank 300 to rank 200. So, it means na talagang sipag lang. Araw-araw sipag lang talaga. This game is for people who have time and also who are really willing to spend their time playing the game all day. Okay? Now, as you all know guys, mababa yung ranking natin dito kasi hindi natin masyadong nag-grind yung game and medyo behind na rin tayo sa levels. But anyway, ang plano natin next season, doon tayo magko-compete. Kasi remember guys, na seasonal naman yung rankings dito. So right after the end of the season guys, is try natin mag-compete dito sa season pass mission kasi right now, talagang hindi na tayo aabot. Okay? So kahit anong gawin nyo dito, kahit tumambling kayo guys, hindi na kayo aabot dyan dahil of course may advantage kapag bumili kayo ng Shield Pass. Which means na meron kayong makukuhang additional na points. Okay? Which is advantage yun ng mga nag-subscribe from day 1. Okay? So, siguro next season na lang tayo magko-compete and hopefully makapasok tayo kahit sa top 100 lang. Malaki-laking bagay na yun. Kasi guys, kung mapapansin niyo dito, yung top 100, okay, somehow malaki pa rin yung makukuha nila. Nasa around 6,000. So, yan ang goal natin, makapasok ng top 100 next season. So, ihahanda ko na yung mata ko guys, no, na walang tulugan. Okay, hopefully makapasok tayo ng top 100 dito and try din natin na gastusan yung game. But anyway, sana meron kayong natutunan dito sa video na to and sana pumaldo kayo dito kay Seal Emon Cross. Next video siguro, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung strategy kung paano natin pwedeng i-maximize yung shields ranking at paano tayo pwedeng pumaldo. Yun lang guys, thank you so much again for your time. This is BM again and alam nyo na, peace out!